Want to start selling on Walmart? In this video, I'll show you how to get approved in 3 easy steps. Also, if you're already rejected from selling on Walmart, I'll show you how to get a second review. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. First, you're gonna go to seller.walmart.com to sign up. So literally, you're gonna type in seller.walmart.com and then you're gonna /sign up, click enter, and it's going to take you here to sign up. All you have to do is put in your first name, last name, legal business name, market, country, tax ID, business email address, business phone number, password, confirm password. Now it needs to be a legit legal business name and you need to have a legit EIN number that matches the legal business name. You can ask ChatGPT how to get that. It's not that difficult. Once you do that, then you're going to go to step number 2 and it's automatically going to take you here to this page. It's going to say your home page. Welcome. Time to verify your business. This is the hardest part to get past. This is where people usually get denied, right? So you're going to click edit and resubmit or edit and submit. Make sure that everything's verified. They're going to ask you again your EIN, your legal business name, business line of address, city, state, country, zip code. Now here's a big one as well. Your website or storefront URL. So they're looking for an Amazon storefront URL. If you do provide them with an Amazon storefront URL, it needs to have your business. They're going to look and they're going to be like, what business name is on this Amazon account? It has to match your legal business name here. Okay. Or your website. Your website needs to have products. It needs to be optimized. It can't be slow loading time. If it's loads too slow, you're going to get denied. All right, you can hire somebody on Fiverr to help you get a faster website speed. Then you're going to put your yearly gross merchandise value, your highest performing category, and then you're going to provide them with your personal information. So your first name, last name, business email, business phone number, passport number, date of birth, and then you're going to provide your issued EIN number, passport. Everything needs to be legit, right? Again, the pro tip is going to be mainly make sure everything matches up. Okay, so on your website, if your website name is, let's say it's McDonald's, right? Then your business name should also be McDonald's LLC. So what Walmart's going to do is they're not the brightest people. They want to make it super easy. So it's going to go into a system. It's going to be like business name, McDonald's LLC, website name, McDonald's.com, something like that. And you're going to get approved. If your business name is McDonald's LLC and your website name is howtosell.com, that's not good. So everything kind of needs to match up. That's just how Walmart is. So if your business name is like the same or similar to your website name, it's going to help. If not, make sure you have a nice little storefront URL and make sure that if you are providing an Amazon link, it all matches up. Once you do that, hopefully you have approval, or they're going to ask for you to verify again. If you're not verified, I'm going to go over some pro tips on how to get a second review and fix everything. But anyway, once you're reviewed, you're just going to add details about provide additional information specific to the US market, manage fulfillment, you're gonna set up your payments and then your catalog and you're good to go. Again, this is gonna be the hardest part. So just triple check everything matches up, everything's legit. Your website's OG, at the bottom of your website, if you can put your business name there, make sure it's like, oh, it's owned by this company. So everything matches up and Walmart doesn't think you're trying to be a fraud. Again, if not approved, it's usually because you don't have a website or your website is not unique enough. They couldn't verify some of your information. Again, your website name isn't the same as your business name, or your business address is different from the address on your website. Like everything needs to match up to get approval on Walmart. They're just very, very picky. So like everything needs to match up, if I haven't already said that. But anyway, to get a second review, if you've been declined and you're like, oh my God, I've been declined, like what the heck? They're not asking for any other information. It's like, you've been declined. What you're going to do, this is my special pro tip that you're not going to share with anybody else. I have somebody at Walmart that can help you. Okay, so this is his email right now here. Okay, Antonio Clark. He is able to get you a second review. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to reach out to him and say, hi, I'm trying to get my Walmart account approved, but my application was denied. Would you kindly help me to appeal my application's original decision? I was referred to you by a friend who said how you can help him reactivate a Walmart account. Something like along these lines, right? You can make it more professional. Don't go crazy. Just say something very, very basic at first, and he will help you as long as he's still working at Walmart, all right? Or if he didn't get a promotion or anything. But this is your time to shine and reach out to him. And then what he's going to do is he's going to ask you questions. What's your name? What's your email address? Let me see that your Walmart application was denied. And then he's going to ask you some crazy questions. All right, here's the questions he's going to ask you. So you need to be ready and have this ready to provide to him, or else you're not going to get a second review. So he's going to ask you for your copy of your IRS issued SS4, right? It's pretty much your EIN document. Website link and or links to any marketplace storefronts you operate. The more the better, right? So if you sell on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, right? If you're not actively selling elsewhere, a spreadsheet featuring a variety of products complete with item titles, description, and images. If you want to get approved, you need to go in on this. You need to provide everything, right? Now, they're going to ask you, what is your legal business name and address? Are there any alternative business names you operate under? Does your legal business address align with those listed on your other platforms? So why, they're going to say, if your business name is McDonald's LLC, why does your eBay name not say McDonald's LLC? Why does your Etsy name not McDonald's LLC? Like I said, they're going to make sure everything's matched up, right? So they're going to, that's number 4. Number 5, does your legal business address match the address provided on your SS4? If not, are there any additional addresses affiliated with your business domestically or internationally? Please include a utility and or bank statement displaying an address that corresponds with both your Walmart application and IRS issued government documentation. Crazy. A lot of information. You got to provide as much as humanly possible. If things don't match up, the addresses, the names on the accounts, you can go in and change the names on these accounts, by the way, that to match your LLC temporarily, right? And then it's going to be easier to get approved. You can change the addresses, your website name, all that stuff to temporarily change it. And if your website loads too slow, they're going to deny you. If your address isn't the same address on your SS4 and it's different on Amazon, they're going to deny you. If your eBay name isn't the same as your business name, they're going to deny you. Like, there's all these extra things. If you can't provide any website links or Amazon links or eBay links that you sell, they're going to deny you. So I need you to really go in on this second review, because I don't think they're going to give a third. I'm just going to be honest. Right? So this is your time to get your second review and get it done right. And I want you to get approved to sell on Walmart, because I'm a consultant. And if you can't sell on Walmart, then I can't help you out, and then nobody has a job. There you go. Due to the number of sellers I work with, you need to respond to him fast. If you're not responding to him fast, he's not going to help you. That's pretty much it. And don't go crazy, right? When you're responding to him, sound very, very straight up. He's going to get you a second review, and then Walmart is going to call you. Okay, he's going to tell you like what's going to happen. They're going to have a second review. Walmart's going to call you and then verify all of your information. Just don't bullshit. They're going to ask you again, why is your Amazon name different than this? Why is this? Then they're going to deny you because it's different. So I need you to have everything to match up, and then they'll approve you to sell. But that's it for today's video. Have you applied to sell on Walmart yet? Let me know how it went in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. I'll probably have more internal emails for Walmart. I know I have more. I just need to check. So I'll have more employees that work there in the near future. But if you need help selling on Walmart already, we do offer a full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. There's a link in the description if you want to schedule a call or just email us, and we're here to help. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.